Chummy Challenge is a new game that's introduced at level 3 and continued in level 4. So this video will show you the instructions for both of them because they are very similar. The only cards you'll need are your challenge cards and your power cards. If you look at your challenge cards, you'll notice that there's a red question and a red answer, a blue question with a blue answer, green question, green answer, and so forth. So Chummy Challenge is a series of challenges. During each challenge, teams try to answer a question from the challenge cards, and whichever team wins 2 challenges wins the game. So before you begin, each team must identify a GeoPlunger, and that person is someone who is going to basically stop play and try to give an answer. That person needs to sit closest to the dealer. You may change GeoPlungers between each challenge if you'd like. So the dealer is going to look at the top power card, and in level 3 they're going to look at the shape on the left side, and it's either going to be a blue or a red shape. So if we look at the other cards, it's a blue or red square. For level 4, you're going to look on the right side, and you'll notice that the circles would have any color. So you might get a question, any one of those 5 types of questions. So for level 3, it's a little bit easier. That's only going to be the red or the blue questions, and for level 4, it could be any of the questions on the cards. So the dealer takes the first power card, and I'm going to show it to you, but the dealer would not show it to the players. Then they're going to take the top challenge card. So the dealer would then read the red question. So as the dealer is reading, either of the GeoPlungers from either team may shout GeoPlunge. When they do this, the dealer immediately stops reading the question, even if the question has not been read in its entirety. The team whose GeoPlunger first shouts GeoPlunge then tries to answer the question. Now this is important. Any player on the team may make the guess for the team, and teammates may talk with each other before they make their guess. If a team guesses correctly, it wins the challenge. If they don't answer correctly, then the other team wins that challenge. The cards would then be put at the bottom of the piles, and the dealer would select the next power card. And this time it would be a blue question. And again, the teams do not see which color question is being asked. If neither team shouts GeoPlunge within 15 seconds after the question is read, the challenge ends in a tie. And if the GeoPlungers from both teams shout GeoPlunge at the same time, each team secretly tells the dealer its answer. If one team answers correctly, it wins the challenge. If they both get it correct or incorrect, then the challenge ends in a tie. If one team wins the first 2 challenges, it wins the game and receives bonus points. If the first 2 challenges end in a tie, the game ends in a tie. Otherwise, the teams play a 3rd challenge, and if that happens, the game ends in a tie unless the team has won 2 out of the 3 challenges. So again, for level 3, the dealer is looking only at the squares on the left side of the card and reading a blue or a red question. In level 4, they're looking at the colors of the shapes, and generally there are 2 shapes on the power card. Sometimes there's 1, but if there's more than 1, if there are 2 colors, the dealer gets to choose which question he or she reads. Ready, set, GeoPlunge.